tropical fruit. That's good for health, delicious, and yummy. Jackfruit, the largest tree-borne fruit in the world, is native to South Asia. With its spiky outer skin and sweet, juicy flesh, it's often compared to pineapple, mango, and banana. But did you know that jackfruit is not only delicious but also packed with health benefits? It's rich in vitamins, minerals, fiber, and protein, making it a rare gem among fruits. Eating jackfruit can improve digestion, boost the immune system, and reduce the risk of chronic conditions like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. However, due to its high fiber content, it's best to start with a small serving and gradually increase intake to avoid digestive discomfort. Here are 3 mouth-watering jackfruit recipes to try. 1. Jackfruit curry. Made with ripe jackfruit, onions, tomatoes, garlic, and a blend of aromatic spices, this curry is a burst of flavors. 2. Jackfruit biryani. This fragrant rice dish combines basmati rice, jackfruit chunks, spices, and yogurt. 3. Jackfruit kofta. These vegetarian koftas are made with boiled jackfruit, paneer, and a medley of spices. So, why not give jackfruit a try and enjoy its deliciousness while reaping its health benefits? Visit www.dailynecessities.in to learn more.